Hey, this is Paddy and
Chris Bates.
Yes, sir. And we are here just to discuss something that I think is going to change the face of the world. I think what we're about to discuss is something I know you will find very interesting. And please pay special attention to what we are about to discuss, especially what Chris is about to talk about. So, Chris, welcome to Kenya.
Thank you, sir. It's a pleasure.
Good to have you. And thank you for coming to this blockchain workshop. But for those of us, including myself, who are pretty new to blockchain, what would you say it is in a nutshell? What is it, and why should we even bother with it?
In the simplest way to explain it, blockchain is a publicly accessible ledger that shows people have come to an agreement on a certain idea or fact. So if it's somebody made a transaction or that something happened in a transfer of ownership in some way, there are multiple parties in the form of computers that verify that happened. So this means that if you have five computers that agree on one thing, then in fact that thing happened. And this is where all blockchain does is find a way to verify that something happened using multiple parties. And this is the simplest way to explain it, and really that's all it does. Blockchain just makes sure that all parties are in agreement on one fact.
I like that. So is that like the equivalent of, say, a government? The government agrees that a note is the value of that note, and then everyone in that country accepts that this is the value of that note.
That's exactly right. Yes, it's once something is come to an agreement, that becomes a fact or a statement that everyone has accepted as true or valid.
Fantastic.
In the same way that like you said, if a country decides what its currency is, that currency is accepted everywhere in that country.
That is fantastic. All right, so this is just an introduction to blockchain. So the next thing we're going to discuss is practical applications of the blockchain. So we'll see you in the next video.